Assalamu alaikum. In today's class, we are going to learn how Google works. This is important because we need to understand how Google actually picks up our website, how it ranks it, and what's happening behind the scene. I will explain this with an image example. Google is a company and it has a crawler, also called a bot. A bot is simply an online program or software. Let's suppose we have a website. Now, what's happened is that the bot comes and visits our website. This bot acts just like a normal visitor, the same way you would open any website. Similarly, the crawler comes and visits the website like a user. The first step that happens is called crawling. Crawling means the bot checks the website. For example, if there is a link on the home page like contact us, the crawler will not only visit the home page but will also follow the link and visit the contact page and then any other link on that page. So crawling means the bot goes through the website and explores it. After crawling, Google takes the data and store it in its database. This process is called indexing. So whenever I say your website is indexed, it means Google has stored your website data in its system. Now, after indexing, the final stage is ranking. Once the website is stored in Google's system, its algorithm sorts and analyzes it. Google checks what the website is about, what its intent is, what kind of search queries it should appear for, and whether it is eligible to rank or not. Based on that, Google decides where to place the website in search results. This decision is made by analyzing more than 200 ranking signals. It's assumption. These are different factors that helps decide whether a site should come at the top, second, third, and so on. It's actually that simple. When a new website appears, Google crawler checks it, stores the data, and then analyzes it to decide the ranking. Now you might wonder how long this whole process takes. Can it happen instantly? So, yes. Sometimes it can happen within a second because Google is so powerful and fast. At other times, it can take longer, maybe several days. If Google doesn't want to index your site immediately, it depends on different factors. So basically, this is how the Google search engine works. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.